January 1st, first transaction is started business with cash. This is the transaction. How many items in this transaction? Two items. One item is cash, another item is capital. Another item is capital. What is the entry? Cash account debtor. Cash account debtor to capital account. Amount 30,000. Being business started with the cash. This is the first transaction. Second one, January 3rd. What is the date? January 3rd. What is the transaction there? Goods purchased for cash. Here is also two items in the transaction. What is the two items? Goods and cash. Purchased goods. Purchases and cash. Purchases account debtor. Already I told you so many times. Purchase account always debit. Purchase account is always debit. Purchases account debtor to cash account. Amount 10,000. What is the amount in that transaction? Purchases account debtor to cash account being goods purchased on cash. Purchased for cash. Next one, fifth. Sold goods for cash. Here is also two items. One item is cash, another item is goods. Goods means sold goods. For the transaction, what is the entry? Cash account debtor to sales account. Already I told you so many times, sales account should be credited. Always sales account credit. Being goods sold for cash. Amount 15,000. Next one, 7. Cash paid to Anil. Here is also two items. One item is Anil, another item is cash. We paid cash to Anil. Who is the receiver in this transaction? Anil. Cash is going out. What is the entry? Anil account debtor to cash account. Anil account debtor to cash account. Being cash paid to Anil. This is the entry. Amount is 5,000. Next one, 9th. Cash received from Banu. Next transaction is cash received from Banu. In this transaction, what is two items in this transaction? Cash and Banu. We received cash from Banu. What is the entry? Cash account debtor to Banu account. What is the amount?
6,000.
6,000. 6,000. Being cash received from Banu. Next one, 11. Purchased stationery. In this transaction, what is the transaction? Purchased stationery. That means stationery purchased. Stationery account debtor to cash account. Stationery is the expenditure. Debit all expenses kada. Stationery account debtor to cash account. Stationery account debtor to Cash account. What is the amount? 1000. Being paid for stationery. Paid for stationery or stationery purchase. Whatever. Next 13. Drawings. You know, yes, drawings account data to cash account. Drawings is the expenditure. Cash drawn, the proprietor of the business drawn the money from the business. That is called as drawings. What is the entry for drawings? Drawings account data to cash account. Being drawings paid. Amount is 500. 500. What is the next one? Cash deposit into bank. Cash deposit into bank means cash paid into bank. Who is the receiver? Bank. What is the entry? Bank account data to bank account data to cash account. Amount 2000. Cash deposit into bank. Being cash deposit into bank. Being cash deposit into bank. This is the narration. Next one is 17. Next one is purchased furniture. What is the entry for the transaction? Furniture account data to cash account. Furniture account data to cash account. Amount 3000. 3000. Being furniture purchase. Both are real accounts. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Furniture is coming into our organization. Cash is going out. Next one is 19th. 19th, there is no 19th kada. 21. 21 wages paid. Wages account data to wages is the expenditure. As per nominal account, debit all expenses being wages paid. What is the amount? 1200. Okay na? Next 23rd. Commission received, income. Commission received means income. Credit all incomes kada. Cash account data to commission account. Being commission received. Being commission received. Tell me amount. 800. 25th. Cash withdrawn from bank. Cash withdrawn from bank and cash account data to bank account. Being cash withdrawn from bank. Withdrawn from bank. 900. Amount is 900. 27th. What is the transaction there? Rent paid. Rent is expenditure. Debit all expenses. Credit all incomes. Rent account data to cash account. Being rent paid. Being rent paid. What is the amount? 1000 rupees. After that, 29th. Interest received. Interest received means income. Income is to be credited. Interest account. Cash account data to interest account 1100. Being interest received. Being interest received. Last one, 31st, salaries paid. Yes, salaries means expenditure. Salaries account data to cash account being salaries paid. Salaries paid. What is the amount for the transaction? 2100. Okay.